Welcome to the EK Hand Knitted Fashion Show.
The scarf of Florida State University thing. A black dress with a beautiful gold hand-knitted scarf can make a lady look more charming. And always remember, a black dress is the oxygen of fashion. Thank you, ladies. This burgundy suit has a skirt with slits on the side to make it more comfortable to walk, and a vest. Black skirt with 4 slits, 2 on the side, 2 in the front. Thank you, ladies. All the ladies are navy blue and gray color suit. Navy blue A-line tuxedo skirt and navy blue top, gray jacket, gray beret with gray belt. A-line skirt with colorful vest. I just want to let you know that all of these clothes, skirts, dresses have linings put in by Mara Tailoring in Tallahassee, and by the way, she is here. Thank you, ladies. Color is fine, but black is majestic. While making this outfit, Ms. E.K. definitely was thinking about William Shakespeare's words, "Knit your heart with an unslipping knot." Black top with heart and black skirt with heart, giving some charm not only for the suit, but meaning the sharing of love with others. Black A-line form skirt with tan and copper top. Thank you, ladies. You're doing a wonderful job. Blue and orange checkered dress without sleeves, with blue silk Ralph Lauren blouse, blue beret, brown booties. As part of the new song, this dress has 2 slits on the side to make the dress more comfortable for walking. Black and red checkers without sleeves. Dress worn with black Peter Pan, white collar blouse. Has 2 slits on the side. Worn with belt. Also, black beret can add some special charm. Thank you, ladies. Good job. Checkered tops. Checkers gray and white colors top can be worn with white pants or jeans, white shoes. It just depends on the lady.
Cute.
gold and blue. Green top worn with silk pants, hat, black shoes. Thank you, ladies. Yellow long dress has 2 slits on the side, giving the lady more comfort. This dress has its own knitted accessories, like a purse. Striped, different colored dress with long sleeves that can be worn differently, like a short dress or with some combination as a long sweater. The sleeves of the dress or sweater can be adjusted.
Thank you for watching the EK Hand Knitted Fashion Show. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.